how to resolve the trading disabled issue on MetaTrader 5. So if you want to fix trading disabled issue on MetaTrader 5, then what you need to do is first you need to head over to your settings. So the first reason might be that your account is not funded yet. But when you first open a live trading account, blockers typically require you to add funds before you can place trades. If you have just registered and haven't deposited any money yet, then that's most likely why trading is blocked. So go ahead and fund the account and the restriction should be lifted. The second issue might be glitches or corrupted app data. Sometimes if the app itself is the issue, then if you have already deposited but still can't trade, you need to go and clear the app's cache, or you can also go and reinstall it. To do that, you can open up your settings and then you need to search for MetaTrader, or you can just simply scroll down and then go with the apps section right here. From the apps, you can go with manage apps, and then you need to find MetaTrader under manage apps. Once you find the MetaTrader, you need to tap and open the MetaTrader. After opening, you need to just simply go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK, and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and delete the application and then again reinstall it from your App Store or your Play Store, and it might fix your problem. So open up your Play Store. Once you've deleted, you need to go with search for MetaTrader 5, and then again go and install it. Or if you have any updates, then you can also go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. That's how you can resolve the trading disable issue on MetaTrader 5, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.